Do you ever wonder why some nights you can go to bed instantly, but other nights you just stare at the ceiling wide awake? Or how you can get 8 hours of sleep and still wake up feeling tired? It's not just bad luck. Your sleep is actually regulated by two key systems in your body. If they're out of sync, quality sleep will always be a struggle. But once you understand how they work, you can finally take control and fix your sleep for good. These two systems are adenosine and your circadian rhythm. Think of adenosine as your body's natural fatigue meter. It builds up the longer you're awake, making you feel tired throughout the day. Your circadian rhythm, on the other hand, is your body's internal clock. It determines whether your body thinks it's daytime or nighttime. If these two systems are aligned, sleep feels effortless. If they're not, no amount of time in bed will fix it. When it comes to fixing your sleep, you want adenosine to be working for you, not against. And we can't talk about adenosine without mentioning caffeine. Caffeine blocks the buildup of adenosine, which is how it makes you feel more awake. This wouldn't be an issue. However, caffeine has a half-life of 6 hours. This means that if you drink a cup of coffee at 4 p.m., half of that caffeine is still in your system at 10 p.m. This leftover caffeine continues to block your buildup of adenosine, not only making it harder to fall asleep, but also reducing the quality of your sleep, causing you to wake up feeling tired. So, is it still possible to drink caffeine and get good sleep? The answer is yes. While caffeine will always have some effect, avoiding it 8 to 10 hours before bed can minimize its impact on your sleep. To optimize your sleep, you need to align adenosine buildup with your circadian rhythm. When your circadian rhythm is in sync, it helps adenosine accumulate at the right times, promoting natural sleepiness. Unlike adenosine, your circadian rhythm is primarily regulated by light. Bright light during the day signals wakefulness, while darkness signals bedtime. We can use this to optimize our sleep. Since bright light signals wakefulness, getting sunlight in the morning, even if you had bad sleep the night before, will help you to feel more awake and will regulate your circadian rhythm. Even if it's cloudy, you want to go outside and let the sun get in your eyes for a couple minutes. If you can't step outside, opening a window and letting natural light in can still be beneficial. And just like we can use light to help our sleep, we can also use darkness to our advantage. Since darkness signals to your body to go to sleep, avoiding or dimming bright lights and screens around 45 minutes before bed will help to regulate your circadian rhythm. This, mixed with a pitch black room or a sleep mask, creates the best sleep environment. The circadian rhythm also regulates your body temperature, causing it to rise in the morning to promote wakefulness and drop at night to help prepare your body for sleep. When we follow this natural cycle, falling asleep becomes much easier. But how do we support this process? One way is by keeping your room cool at night. A cooler environment helps your body naturally lower its temperature, making it easier to fall asleep. The ideal sleeping temperature is between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit. And surprisingly, taking a warm shower can also help. The warmth raises your body temperature, and when you step out of the shower, your body cools down quickly, signaling that it's time to rest. This quick drop in temperature helps prepare your body for sleep. By changing your sleep habits and environment, you can optimize your circadian rhythm and your adenosine buildup. When these cycles are in sync, falling asleep becomes much easier, and waking up feeling refreshed becomes the new normal. When you get good sleep, you operate at your best and become the person that you want to be.